Hiya friends, how you doing? How are you today? I just bring another vlog for you today for the Hot Point microwave, which is very good brand, very well known brand anyway. So before I start the vlog, I just say thank you very much. I'm very happy you like our channel, and subscription the day by day increase, and is very good for our channel. And I just my energy they will double up now, because you just you know like, subscribe regularly basis, and then watch our video again and again, which is very good. And thank you very much again, and I hope you doing as much as you can, and then as far as you can. So before I start my the vlog, so I just need to be say this Hot Point microwave, I just need to be start for my new way, which is the review plus the unboxing. So review after this unboxing, I start reviewing, because the Hot Point microwave, which is everyone knows, is very well known brand. And also this is 25 liters, and also this is the model number MWH 27343B. So this one is all combination conventional type of microwave. You can roast pizza, all kind of things you can make inside this microwave. And also the you can do in this, the Hot Point, they try to give you for the new way to care, and a new way to the cook, and the multi technology, and the crispy fries you can do. Also the dynamic steam, also the chef menu. They can also on the front they give you the all menus, the cooking menus, and also the timing as well, which is they give you the choice of cooking. And the people especially who just they go for the jobs, and do whatever activities in their life, and then they do for the different several multi jobs there, and then they don't have the time to cook, and then they this Hot Point microwave, they give you the enough choice. You don't need to buy for the separate the air fry or any kind of cookers, because this one is the fantastic option the Hot Point to give you. And but other one, they start auto clean, and there is the option and the front menu, which is the LCD, also on the front. They could show you for what option you choose, and then what timing you need to take to start cooking, cleaning. Auto cleaning, you just press the button auto clean, and then they can start circulating, and then auto clean, because it's not that mean they got inside like a dishwasher. It's not that like this, but there is an option. And also I don't know yet, so in my review, I just give the review as well after when I use. Then also in my review video, I just recommend it for my video to you guys, for you can this is good for use or not. So now I start my unboxing now. And so I don't have my the other things, the opener. I just find for the plier at the moment. I just need to be stop my video for a while, and then I can bring back for my pliers, and then open for this. On the top they got a security seal, like a the stapler pin both side on the top, so I can just bring it back. I'll come back in a minute. So friends, just like and subscribe my channel. So I just always say again, because I need to, and then you have to. No, just joking, because that's up to you. Yeah, so if you like my channel, or like my the video. So please tell us and let me know you like this video. And also, if you need any help to find out for the product information or details or anything, so don't hesitate, just do the comment below for this under the video, and then I try my best just to reply ASAP. So thank you very much again. And also, when I just made this video, so you can buy for this product, and you can go and check, and then also I'll let you know for this price. And this is very good price anyway. There's no that price is the price gonna be 239 239 if I remember, so which is not very expensive. Then you can buy for this product and then try, and then just let me know if this product is good for you or not. So take care, bye bye. So yes friends, I just find out for my pliers, and then I open for this small security staplers on the top, because when you lift up the box, they no chance to damage your product. So I open the tape already for you, and then without wasting time, and this is